No governor has the right to negotiate with terrorists. If you negotiate with a terrorist, you're a terrorist. That's a simple fact. Any governor who negotiates with a terrorist is a terrorist, and he should be seen as a terrorist. And the people of this country must make effort to approach the high commissions, approach the embassies in Nigeria, approach international organizations, international communities to tell them that, look, we have terrorists governing some geographical space in this country. For anybody to begin to defend the indefensible position of negotiating with a terrorist, there is a problem. That person is an associate, is a sympathizer of terrorism. And when you sympathize with terrorism, who are you? You are a terrorist. So it is completely unacceptable. It doesn't matter whether you are APC or PDP or whatever you are. If you do not have solution to criminality in your state, then you resign and allow somebody who has a better solution on how to resolve the problems. Let me tell you the problem. The other time we issued a statement and we were able to find out the reason why you have all these kind of things that are happening in the north. You understand? There is a movement currently. There are people, the elites, actually want Nigeria to set up what do you call it? The amnesty program for bandits. That's just the agenda they have. There's an agenda among the elites of the north, which they don't want to tell anybody. Because, ask yourself, why is it that the entire internal security structures are controlled by the north, and yet the north has become like Afghanistan? What is the cause of it? The cause of it is that there is a game plan to force Nigeria to blackmail all of us to accept any idea that will come up, which the likes of Gumi has started throwing up, and certain governors, except the Kaduna State governor, because maybe the Kaduna State governor has had a very terrible experience with terrorists in his state. He said, no, he understands better that you do not have to negotiate with terrorists. So the position of the governor of Kaduna State is 100% correct. And maybe he was not part of the discussion. Maybe he doesn't know that there's a plan. We believe that there's a plan by certain elites in the north who are actually looking at the oil money that they want to steal, because they believe that the Niger Delta militants have cornered a lot of money to themselves, and they were also granted amnesty when they carried arms. They begin to compare what happened in the Niger Delta with what the terrorism that's happening in the north. How can you justify the fact that a bunch of boys will buy weapons from wherever they get and invade communities and begin to kill children? These children they're killing are northerners. These are northern children that are being killed. These are northern youths that are being wasted. These are students are being kidnapped, and a bunch of people are being settled, and some of these elites are local government officials, they are state officials, and now you have governors beginning to tell Nigerians who they are. When the governor says, I'm going to negotiate with the terrorists, then that person is a terrorist sympathizer.
They are negotiating with bandits, kidnappers. You see, as this country corrupt rich, they know they negotiate with us when they go house late. So what we go give you now? Mona quit they go house. Because then I'm money and they find reach that kind of time. No. Anything bad for this country, now government they like. Government like criminals, people where they thief, people where they kidnap, people where they sleep for people for fun, people where they kill women for fun. Now that kind of thing, Nigeria government like. Now they want what they negotiate with their people. Say how much are we going to pay you people to stop the killing, the kidnapping, all those things. Now they like. If you just do better business, they go frustrate you. All the aboki where they drive here is for Benin and they don't run go back. Because road safety don't let them see road. Your road worthiness, your cab worthiness, color certificates. Whether Yarisi they get color certificates in a country now, don't spoil. It don't spoil. When I will never marry with pity for now. Yeah. Because marriage now you go plan both Edo babe, they don't already engage you, relax. Your own is happening any time from now. You understand? So people that never engage now, the man will take security and engagement. Now God will help us. So all these old women, I don't enjoy on own. No. Now I don't know what God do for now. With every day pray more reach on our age as Nigeria take day like this so. You say? For this APC government. More grow past as we did, so they don't go green. Time they concept, they go tell you say if you drive motor, sell it and check. You are not supposed to drive motor. Oh, leave government and they come back on. Come back. Man preach for you.
Ebube Father.
If you not find me and not see me, may not ask government. I'm not lost. I deal with them. I deal with them. So far they give me good food.